How's your business going these days? In today's cost-competitive world, are you thinking about going for some cost-saving solutions? How about some energy-efficient ones? And some space-saving also? You ask if this is possible. How about we make it possible for you? Introducing Spiral Solutions by Neologic Engineers. Practical and reliable spiral solutions for a variety of processing lines. Our neat and compact designs are based on using vertical space. It has been decades since people are using linear tunnels. While linear tunnels consume your space horizontally, our spiral solutions not only spare you the space but also save you from the increasing expenses of energy consumption, two of the costliest resources in the world. We offer spiral air pasteurizers and coolers, spiral air freezers, spiral water pasteurizers and coolers. They require low maintenance and are easy to clean. The structures are made of stainless steel and offer quicker thermal, hot and cold penetration. Our spiral solutions are best suitable for the processing of fruits and vegetables, pasta and all types of sauces, ketchup, RTE or RTH or RTS, batter, ice cream, curd, meat, bakery products and many more. Whereas spiral air solutions are mainly used for water-sensitive product processing. Spiral water solutions are perfect for packaged foods. We offer customized quality spiral solutions which need no special flooring, offer space optimization, make low water consumption, are easy to wash, are cost-effective, are energy efficient and leave smaller footprint in processing area. With more than 200 spiral installations across the globe, FENCO SRL Italy is our exclusive technology partner and helping us for continuous improvisation in productivity and quality. Another global leader in conveying, INTRALOX, with their patented direct drive technology, helps Neologic for effective use of the technology. Our customer base has expanded multiple times as we are innovating and applying on the new technologies continuously for their benefits. Want to make more out of it? Get ready to boost your process's performance. Contact us.